Now let's see the about the partition matrix. A partition matrix is also called a block matrix, means the dividing a large matrix into the smaller parts called the submatrix or blocks, right? Using a horizontal or vertical line between the row and column. So suppose we have a matrix A of order m by n, then we can divide our original matrix as column wise like this, A1 and A2. So here we divide our original matrix into two blocks, A1 and A2 along the column, where A1 is of order m by n1 and A2 is m by n2 order submatrix, where n1 plus n2 is the number of original column or number of columns. Okay, so we can also divide it row wise. So here we have A equal to uh, A1 and A2. We divide our matrix A into two blocks, A1 and A2 along the row. So here A1 is of order m1 by n and A2 is order m2 by n, where m1 plus m2 is the total number of uh, rows, right? Now the addition and the subtraction of a partition matrix. So if the two matrices are partitioned in the same way, so we can add or subtract the corresponding blocks like this here. So let A equal to A1 and A2 and B equal to B1 B2. We divide our block along the along the horizontal axis, along the column wise. So then A plus minus B will be just A1 plus minus with B1 and A2 plus minus with B2, right? And for A equal to A1 A2 and B equal to B1 B2, when we partitioned our matrix along the rows, so then the addition and subtraction will be similar process, A1 plus minus B1 and A2 plus minus B2. And now the multiplication of the partition matrix. So partitioning is very useful for the multiplication. Suppose let's say A equal to A1 and A2 and B equal to B1 B2. So for the matrix A we have two block A1 and A2, and for the matrix B here we have B1 and B2, two blocks. Okay, we divide our A matrix into two submatrix or two block name A1 and A2, and matrix B we can divide matrix B into two submatrix or blocks. They are namely the B1 and B2, right? So then the AB will be the multiplication of A and multiplication of uh, B matrix will be A1 with B1 plus A2 with B2. Example of a block multiplication. So here let suppose here we have a given a matrix A and we divide this our original matrix into four sub matrix or four blocks, and also same case here for the B matrix B, we divided here B matrix into four blocks, right? So then the AB will be first here, AB will be AB, the multiplication of A and B will be first row with the first column. So A11 with B11 plus A12 plus B21, right? And again first row with the second column. So A11 with B12 plus A12 with B22 here, right here. And second row with the first column. So A12 with B11 plus A22 with B21 here. And second row with at last second row with second column. So we have A21 B12 plus A22 B22 here.